Hey, it's Tony with Build a Dream. So it rained really hard yesterday. That means most mountain bike trails are closed today since they're really slippery. So at the same time I really wanted to mountain bike, I found a cool paved trail here in Acworth, Georgia. I also miss being in the city area as well. Gonna bike around the area here at Logan Farm Trail and then try and go up to see downtown Acworth. Let's go. I miss the city. First gonna go right up here to the downtown Acworth, then gonna go find Logan Farm the Trail. I like Acworth. It's not too crowded. I like cities that are not too crowded. Oh, what is this? It's like a mini abandoned city or a town. It's pretty cool. So that's like a bridge. You can take up an elevator that way and then cross the bridge over to get to the other side. But I have a bike. Here's the heart of the city square. I've been meaning to take my wife there to Henry's. My buddy John told me about it. Apparently it's like amazing. It always has like a big wait. I think they like made like a few shows on it too. All right, gonna go to Logan Farm right now. Gonna try and find it. Here's Logan Farm Park. Gonna just jump right in. Wow, that is a modern, cool playground. I'll take my kids there when I have some. It's a nice ride. It's a nice place to go on a walk, go on a ride. So if you're in the area, or doesn't matter where you are, if it rains and your mountain bike trails are closed, you can still find a paved trail. You know, it'll be open. It's still fun. You know, not as crazy as mountain biking, but still a lot of fun. What is this? Let's see what's over here. How you doing?
Hey.
This is a pleasant surprise. I was not expecting this. There was a big storm last night. That's why there's all this debris around here. Speaking of, I still need to clean up my yard. See. All right, there's a left and a right. We're gonna go see this really quick, then we're gonna come back to where that right was. Oh, that's cool. Got some basketball court. I like a basketball court like this, old school. I don't know why. I just think it's cool. All right, this is the part we didn't go to the right. Oh, it basically takes us the same way, I think. Kind of. How you doing? Yeah, I believe it loops around, so we're gonna go find, maybe not. Just basically dead ends here at Spring Street. Gonna go back. Sorry, gonna go explore the rest of that area. When we turn around at the basketball courts, we're gonna go explore the rest of it. All right, we didn't go this way yet. Oh my gosh. Was that a dead cat? Oh, that's an alive cat. You okay? All right, good. Making sure that cat was alive. But if it was dead, there would have been nothing I can do. All right, that was it of this part of that trail. Now I'm gonna go back to Logan Farm. Good thing about mountain biking or having a mountain bike is you can just do little shortcuts like this. See where we are on all trails. Okay, so we're here. That means this is like roughly the beginning and or end of one of the trails, but we started in the middle. Somewhere in the middle. So gonna go and explore, continue on. Not gonna lie, it looks really cool with all the debris everywhere. From the storm. Here we go. We didn't go this way. I think this is probably a neighborhood. Yeah, another entrance from a neighborhood. Same neighborhood, I think, where the other entrance was over there. That would be funny if I just somehow kept going and flew into that pool, the lake. I think it's really cool when city squares or downtown, like right next to the downtown, there's like a big paved path that connects a lot of the inner city area together. Let's see what's over here. Oh, That's another part of the entrance where I parked my car when I started. Just going back in. So yeah, talking about that, Woodstock has Noonday Trail, which connects a lot of the downtown together. This is a nice area. I just like how there's like barely anyone on it. And Acworth, the city itself, even though it's in Cobb County, which is a very populated county, it's not a very crowded city. See, I go this way. Going back. Gonna take this right. We haven't been down here yet. Oh, that's cool. Baseball fields. Almost dirt field. So yeah, I think that's it for Logan Farm here in Acworth, Georgia. I'm just gonna keep biking on after this video, but just to see what's around here. But yeah, thank you for watching. I recommend it for a nice easy stroll, I guess, whether you're biking or running. Cool area. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.